Jai Hind friends, my name is Mehul Parmar from Gujarat. Today I am tell you about how to prepare for GPSC examinations or Gujarat government examination. Scientist, you must need 6 hours sleep per day and you have 24 hours in a day. So you can manage or create your timetable according to this. First of all, wake up early in morning at 6 a.m. and try to be fresh. Finish your exercise or running in between 6 a.m. to 6:30. Finish your daily activities between 6:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. Start reading newspapers for 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Generally, newspapers are arriving at your home around 8 a.m. If you have early access of newspapers, then you can go at 7 a.m. or if you have not any early access, then you can watch Desi TV channels. That means the Gujarati TV channels. Then after start study Gujarati history. Here you can also study daily topics or current affairs also. But the Gujarati history is also most important things for GPSC examination. For other examination like Talati and other, you are not very much. That means you have not so much focus on history, but you must focus on current affairs. Watch TV and some news. Start study Gujarati grammar 11 a.m. to 12. Take a lunch and watch TV. Prepare for English grammar. Here you have many books. I am prepared IBPS books which are very quite good in English grammar. Take power sleep. Power sleep is essential for every human body in between her entire work day. Read English novels or history. Watch history, discovery, news on TV. Go to gym or for playing some outdoor games like football, cricket, whatever your favorite games. Finish your daily activities like bath after coming from the, or you can wash your hand, whatever the daily activities you can finish between 6 to 7 p.m. Watch news. It is most important that in the morning you can get something new or in the evening you can also get something new, because there is much things happen in world. Relax or try to make a note on topic on which you have focus. You can memorize everything points. You can write only a short points. That in the morning I read news about Narendra Sri Modi, Manya Narendra Sri Modi, or you can make a note like that the Narendra Modi is in Canada and sign MOU about the nuclear power plants or anything. You can just make a note, or you can find that some useful links that you are refer that I'm study about this on this link, so you can get your memory power. Go out for take a walk or friends, some arbitrary friend. You can having some mind relaxations by this. Prepare for mathematics, because most of people are good to sleep between 9 to 11 p.m. So 9 to 11 p.m. is best for mathematics. It will alert your mind and you can finish it. If you follow this routine for 1 year, you 100% success. I guarantee it. So prepare according to this routine, you can success. Please subscribe my channel. I am in my upcoming videos. I will be analyze some GPSC examinations papers. Also make a notes that what is important topics for the Gujarat government point of view. If you are preparing for GPSC, then you can forget about UPSC. Some of our most brilliant talented student, but we are average student. So we focus only on GPSC, only on UPSC, only on engineering examinations, because three are different and three of them having a many more difference things about each of every exam. If you are prepared for GPSC, so my opinion, you are must prepare only for GPSC, friends. So please subscribe my channel, and I will be show you many more tips for how to crack GPSC.